minus log cosecant x minus log cosecant x dx. First remove this minus, e power log cosecant x power minus 1. This minus 1 becomes to power minus 1. When log is given, always base is e. When log function is given, then always base is e. So a power log x to the base a. Two bases are equal. Integral of cosecant x power minus 1 dx. Integral of 1 by cosecant x dx. Integral of sin x dx. Integral of sin x dx. So these are the simplification of the given function. Last step, integral of sin x minus cos x plus c. Second Roman, fifth problem. Second Roman, fifth problem. Integral e power log 1 plus tan square x dx. Tan square x dx. We know the trigonometry formula. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta e power log secant square x. We apply this formula. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Both bases are equal, e. So secant square x dx. Integral of secant square x tan x. Last step only the integration formula. Integral of secant square x dx. Tan x plus c. X square plus 3x minus 1 by 2x Take this one, 1 by 2. Split into 3 fractions. First fraction, second fraction, third fraction. X square by x. 3x by x minus 1 by x dx. X cancel. 1 by 2 integral x power 1 plus 3 minus 1 by x whole dx. Listen. X power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Integral of 1 by x. Log mod x. Integral of 3 is 3x. 3 derivative of 3x equal to 3. So integral of 3 equal to 3x. Suppose there is 4x. There is minus 10, minus 10x. There is minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2 into x. So integral of any constant, integral of c dx equal to cx. We apply this formula, integral of c equal to cx. So 1 by 2 into x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 3x log mod x plus 1 by x root x plus 1 by x dx. First expand whole square value, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab a square plus b square plus 2ab by x square. Split into 3 parts, x by x square, 1 by x square, 2 root x by x into x, x into x. Listen, x cancel, 1 by x, 1 by x square, 2 by, listen, root x by x, 1 root x cancel. So x into root x is x power 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. So x power 3 by 2 dx. We know this formula and also this formula. 1 by x formula, log mod x. 1 by x square formula, minus 1 by x. But we don't know this formula. So write plus 2 into x power minus 3 by 2 dx. Integral of 1 by x, log mod x. Integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x. We don't know this formula directly. So x power minus 3 by 2. Apply n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Write down. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab split into 3 parts. 9 x square by 2x 1 by 2x 6x by 2x whole dx. x cancel, x cancel. Integral 9 by 2 into x power 1, 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 3 dx. Next apply the formulas. X power 1 plus 1 by x 1 plus 1. Integral of 1 by x log mod x. Integral of c dx cx. C dx integration is cx. 9 by 2 x square by 2, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 into log mod x, integral of 3x, integral of 3x plus c. Integral formula of cot square x. We don't know the direct formula. From the trigonometry, we know that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Listen. Cot square x, cosecant square x minus 1 dx. We know the both formulas. Integral of cosecant square minus cot x, integral of c dx is cx. So integration of this one minus cot x, integral of 1 x square x plus 1 dx. We know the trigonometry formula. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, integral secant square x dx. We know this formula. Integral of secant square x. Which derivative is secant square x? Derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square. So integral of secant square x equal to tan x. Tan x plus c. 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x. See on the board. Cos square x. Cos into cos. Listen. Integral secant square x 1 by secant cos x equal to secant x, sin x by cos x equal to tan x. We know the both formulas. We know the both formulas. Integral secant square x tan x minus integral secant x into tan x is secant x. So tan x minus secant x plus c.